Tine maswati siyanemukela nonke. Tine maswati ngenfokozo neluthango.
Nasibona sikulena ndzawo ngalesi sikhathi imbukeli kusho kona ukuthi sesikhathi sethu sokuthi sigege lona live la kaNgwane sibuke indzawo letinhle lapha eveni kanti kasigcini lapho siphindeke futhi sikhangise ngetinto letinhle letendeka kuleli mbukeli ngihambisana nayo Southern Tourism Authority ehlelweni lelithi Buhle Betfu ngithi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe ngiso sikhathi sethu mbukeli ukuthi ubone indzawo letinhle lesinato eveni la kaNgwane mbukeli sikhuthata ukuthi wati live lakho kabandi naye nje ungagcini ngekuphuma uyongcebeleka kulamanye emave kodwa cala kuleli lakini angithathela lifuba mbukele ukubingelela ngiphinze ngomukeleke ehlelweni lelithi Buhle Betfu hambisana naye nobumelela kaDlamini Sibongo kanti kangepha mbukeli namuhla angihambi ke futhi naGiyani ngihamba nayo eTemlandvo angunikele lifuba lokuthi utithule kubo babukeli emakhaya
anginibingelele babukeli emakhaya libito lami ngiTemlandvo ngwakavulakati mina ke ngichamuka khona lapha esigodini saseshiselweni ngike ngeva ngePhumula Guesthouse namuhla ke ngihambisana nabo betelihlelo bebuhle bethu lelihlome kona ukuthi bamvu bati live labo nami ke namuhla ngithwale lithuba lokuthi ngati kabanti ngePhumula Guesthouse
kanti ke mbukeli sisakhuluma ngayo iPhumula Guesthouse Guesthouse yema kulenza kusukela ngeminyaka wa1993 kanti akusiyo nje indzawo yekuphumula kuphela Temlandvo akahambi kedwa uhamba nebangani bakhe kuyangifisa ukuthi Temlandvo wakulenzawo kodwa akazange sekafike kulena ndzawo lokusho kona babukeli ukuthi emaswati akalati live lawo namhla ke mbukeli sitawufundisa Temlandvo kabandi ngayo iPhumula Guesthouse kanye nabangani bakhe Temlandvo wena yini lofisa kuyibona kuleli ndzawo namuhla
ngifuna nje lokwati ukuthi iPhumula Guesthouse yendani in terms of tourism industry because ngiconza kahle ukuthi iPhumula Guesthouse offerisha accommodation that's all I know but I want to learn more ukuthi yini lokunye because I'm sure ukuthi it's not all about accommodation.
Okay.
Yes.
Kuma lendzawo for the past 25 years imbukeli akusiyo nje indzawo lapho khona abantu bafike batawulala bangcebeleke baphumule kuphela khona kodwa yindzawo lebamba imishado kanti ke futhi kuphinze futhi kusuka tinkampani toba nema conferences kulena ndzawo. That is not all they have to offer because they also have activities lafaka ekhathi fishing, mountain biking kanti ke futhi navakashele kulena ndzawo ngaphinze futhi uthole lithuba lekuthi uyocanca tona tintsaba tenshiselo kanti ke mbukeli asingasichitha isikhathi sakho asesibonile ukuthi nasikhuluma ngePhumula Guesthouse kusuke kukhulu
Good morning, how are you?
We well, thanks, Anta. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Are you enjoying Phumula Guesthouse?
Very much so. Very much
we're so happy to host you. It's nice to have friends visiting us.
Great. Okay, Anto, we'd like to know more about Phumula Guesthouse, how it came into being. Take us through its inception, whose brainchild this was, how it was formed, and the main objective behind coming up with Phumula Guesthouse.
Well, my father was elected for MP in Parliament, and so they were staying up in Tabankulu, and obviously he had to move to Sizilweni region because this is where he was elected. And they came back to the farm. They bought this farm when they were still young adults. And so they came back to nothing. And my father had to travel to Mbabane every day. And my mom said, oh no, she'll be so lonely. So she thought, you know, if I start a guest house, at least I'll see some people. We are very proud of our farm. It's been in our family for 4 generations. So when she started off, she only started with 2 rooms. And people would actually say to her, you know, you need this and you need that. And she spoke to one friend, and that friend said, don't think too much. Just start with what you have. And that is what she did. And it has just grown from strength to strength. My mother is really the brainchild behind this. And she's got she's got the aesthetic eye. So she looks at the space and then she just says, well, let's develop this, let's do this, let's break this, let's build something. So that is really where we come from. We are a whole family. We 5 children and they've got 10 grandchildren. So this is our gem. This is where we really treasure our space here. And in Sizilweni, we try to present a service and a facility that's a little bit upmarket and out there, and something different that you won't see everywhere. And because we love what we do, it just creates an atmosphere of comfort and tranquility.
Okay. So what does Phumula Guesthouse have to offer its visitors?
Well, you come to Phumula if you really want to Phumula. So it's nice and quiet, and there's peaceful bird life. And you know, if you're a nature person, you love to go walking and hiking and mountain biking and fishing. That is the type of channel we try to cater for.
Oh, Antoinette, I have a question for you. If you have a job vacancy here, do you prefer locals or would you prefer someone from Babane coming into Nhlangano? How do you go about doing that?
We really believe in employing and lifting the people in our surroundings. So we stick to Sizolweni, and we also try to promote the people that is already in our service and maybe send them for training and, you know, to just use them and what we have. I feel that people grow with you. So we started small, but we're going big. So the people that, you know, they're buying into our dream of really being the best Sizolweni region facility. So that is why we try to stick to Sizolweni.
So I've just liked the place the moment I entered, because it's just away from the noise and everything. So if you need just a peace of mind, this is the right place to come. So I just want to know, like I've heard that you host events like weddings. Is there any other event to host, or it's only weddings?
Our weddings have really started to pick up. We do anything. If you come and ask me, I'll do anything you like me to do. We've hosted 21st parties, we do baby showers, we do quite anything that people come and request us to do.
Besides Phumula or the accommodation, what other activities do you offer? Is there a swimming pool or other activities?
We have a swimming pool. We try to keep it to our in-house guests only, just for the noise factor and not disturbing the peace. And so we also have mountain biking and hiking up the mountain. We've got a farm dam where they actually do some bass fishing. And then we've got just, you know, normal games around the house, ping pong and darts. So there's things to do for old and young.
What kind of activities do you have for young children, and what are your future plans for the lodge?
Well, we have the swimming pool, and what we do with our children is we go for walks, which they just love being out in nature. So they take their bicycles and they just ride while we walk. We also have jumping castles that on special occasions. So, and there's ping pong and, you know, just playing with an ordinary ball, and we have a trampoline. For our future plans for the guest house, we are really trying to look into team building. I think that is something that we really need to explore. I've been to many places where they have like obstacle courses. So that's really something that I think that will add to my conferences.
After a long day, I've been having a great time out there, and I come to Phumula Guesthouse. Obviously, I want to share whatever experiences I had. So how is our internet there? Do we have great Wi-Fi? Or?
We do have Wi-Fi, but we do also have challenges here on the farm. We know the guest house is in the middle of a plantation. So when the wind blows, or when we get really fierce electric storms, so that all affects the Wi-Fi. But for the most, I have a technician close by that really sorts me out real quick. But there is things at the guest house that is really a challenge to us. We don't have any MTN services or Swazi Mobile, and when we do, it's very poor. So, you know, if there's things that we can do to set that in place, then I think it could really help our facility. Phumula Guesthouse is really the best facility in Sizolweni. We've tried to create a gem, a real jewel, where people will feel welcome and travel far to find rest and peace. We upgrade and we sustain and we maintain all the time, and we really want to better ourselves each day. So I call on all guests, near and far, old and young, please come and explore the South. We've got so much rich history, and I really invite you, if you want warm and love and tranquility come to Phumula. We've been complimented so much on our food. I think that we have the best chefs. We really do home-cooked meals. We cater for weddings, conferences, bed and breakfast, and we've also created a private dining room where if you really want to treat your loved one to use. So come for warm food and lovely food. What we've added to our facility is this lapa area, and every day we put out fresh cake and some coffee and tea, and then guests can come and just use this facility to gather their thoughts and visit with one another. We also make a fire in the cold winter nights, so they can just sit here and chill and relax.
Yebo,
Njani?
siyaphila.
Siyaphila ngathi siyabonga ukusivakashela ePhumula Guesthouse. Igama lami ngiNcobile, ngiyi-receptionist ePhumula.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cha siyabona ukuthi nasifikile lana indzawo lenhle le-quiet vele. So nyalo sesifuna kubona lama rooms ukuthi akanjani.
Okay, sisimntshengisa seka onke sina 32 rooms. Sinema superior rooms, sinema standard rooms, sinema luxury, sinema single rooms. But nyalo mntshengisa i-superior room. It's a safe catering room. Singangena siyibona.
Okay, thank you.
It's a superior room. We've got
Wow.
the king size bed.
It's
Yes.
just so beautiful.
Yep.
Okay, so ngiyabona kune DSTV, so ema channels kuna maphi?
Yes,
Akhona
it
onke.
is a compact DSTV.
Okay. So like njengoba ushido lama rooms ayihlukana like bo standard in. So kulama standard wona lama channels akhona onke noma khona ngehlukana bese kehluka.
No, kuhlukile ke kulama standard rooms. Ma standard rooms A2 wona is not a DS. It's
okay.
just some few channels.
Bo SFS 1 2
Two,
3 and
three,
E, that's only.
That's only.
Okay. Okay, ngiyabona ukuthi kune honji nyana lekhona. What's going on there?
Okay, sisingalala, as I said, it's a safe catering. Ngalala kunelkhishi ke sisi.
Oh, kunelkhishi.
Kunawo konke nje kwekupheka, kune fridge, kune microwave, everything lokupheka.
So uyatendela.
Okay, nyalo kitchen sis, as it's a safe catering room. Utendela nje uyakhona kupheka, uyakhona kwenda konke nadidisha nayo amabhodo uyadiphekela.
Safe catering. This is home away from home. I'm actually loving this because no connect and just about anything that I want. No, I love this place.
Siyabonga sisi.
Thank you very much.
enye indzawo lekhona lapha endzaweni yaseshiselweni lengakhangathi ivakashi ngiyo iMahamba Border Lodge. iMahamba Border Lodge ke yindzawo leyaqala kwakhiwa ngeminyaka wa-2004 yaphela ngalowo mnyaka kodwa yase ivulwa ngalokho semthethweni ngiso silo seMaswati inkosi Mswati yesithathu ngeminyaka wa-2006. iMahamba Border Lodge ke mbukela yindzawo lekhangathi vakashi kakhulukati ngetimvo letendekako lapha kanti ke futhi mbukela sesicocisane naye babekunene lokhona la kule ndzawo utasichazela kafishane ngayo iMahamba Border ukuthi kude yakhiwe nje isukelwa ngani indzawo lefana nalena endzaweni lefana nalena lapha kuMahamba.
Sivusele babekunene.
Sivusele Nkosi.
Ligama lami ngivumile ngakashonke. Ngumuntu lokuqala ukuda la eMahamba Border. So bengingathanda ukubuda imibuto leyifiyo. Babekunene bongathanda ukusichazela sonke nje nalabanye labangadi ukuthi iMahamba yaqalaphi yasuka ngani nini kahle kahle nje lo mcombo weMahamba kahle kahle uqhamukaphi.
Oyila Mahamba Border kusengakakhiwa letakhiwo labelumbi bebeta yabona labaqhamuka ngaphandle bafaka emathende la yabona bathi campele labanye kwabe seyasuka le youth le yala kuMahamba yabona ukuthi ingenda something ngalento yahamba yocela imali ka tourism wabe sobafunela imali ka UNDP lokuthi ka European Union lokuthi kwakhiwe letakhiwo yawo so letakhiwo tiqale ukusebenza nga-2004 but tabe sedivulwa official 2006 sedivulwa ngomuthe.
Kahle kahle le idea kwaqala labelungu bebakhemba la.
Kusengakusete le takhiwo bebeta abathi campela abatokwenza emabraai labanye yabona. Babuka ukuthi khona labangakwenda for imali yabona. So le mali le yatakhiwa iyakulala abanidi la mangweni. Okay labanye bayeta babukele wildlife yabona bahambe bayena le egojini khona labanye laba ba interested etinyonini yabona babukele etinyoni njengalaba chamuka lengaphandle bayabatubuka letinyoni le egojini yabona baquality talela la kule passage yabona.
So le goji bayayiqanqa kahle kahle.
Le goji le goji ngilokudivide kwalentsaba
uyibukela from where la noma kuvumelekile ukuthi uqanqe
uyacanca uhamba ufike uyibuke live khona la Tudane yabo.
Uma uletulu yini lokho interesting lokubonako mhlambe past besides le nature lesiyibona ngala yini lokunye loku different maybe ngale kwayo ikhona indlela yokubona something else le interesting ngala.
Okay ngale ngishare kunalo munye futhi umfula yabona lofuka ujoyine lo mkhondo yabona. Okay lo mfula unale mpopoma but akusimpopoma lenkulu waterfall. Bayahamba nakhona bahambe bayobuka yona le mpopoma labanye bafike babhukushe la khathe yabona le mpopoma.
Una unguvo khuluma nge-wildlife so far ngisebona inyoni dindiza yini lokunye lokukhona ngaphandle kwenyoni lokusilwane nje la.
Okay kuba naletilwane nje ngetimpunzi but akusito letivalelwe yabona kusho nje namnatihamba.
Phindze lokunye ngilaba njani labetala anyone uvumelekile ngeda.
Anyone uvumelekile but ukuthi ababhadala entry fee lokuba la ngekhathi nalokucanca yabona.
So wonke umuntu uvumelekile kuti restriction ukuthi bamphana abakavumeleki la.
No wonke umuntu ku safe for everyone.
Sawubona babekunene. Ukhuluma naThobeka babe. Thobeka myeni. Ngicela kuva ukuthi ngikuphi la kule ndlu lesikuyo.
Lana setindlini letokulala taseMahamba Border. Room 5.
Yebo baba. Singangena ngekhathi baba siyibone iroom ukuthi kanjani.
Sikuthi singangena sisi. Ngosi lana se room number 5. La room number 5 we self catering uyatiphekela wena kudla. Kunemapho wena utana ukudla kwakho. Mapho wathola lana konke utiphekele thina sikuphekele. lana Nkosi la room number 5 kulala babili abantu comfortable kodwa ke lokucharge ngalama prices sicharge ngeroom sicharge ngokuthi ni couple kodwa alifuneka nengce nibe more than 4 endlini nyalo sisi sengidokhombisa sine balcony lana
maye kuhle la masomela ubona konke inthaba umfula ngigcine ngekuva ngale ngaphandle kuphela kepha mawula soya ubona cha mhle Mahamba Border nobaba so baba ngiyabona ukuthi le room lena say different from lelenye lesisuka kuyo ngicela kuva ukuthi mangakhe ama rooms lanawo la kaso
okay lena sisi se room number 3 ina 2 no single bed lana isebenzana nifuna kulala ngokuhlukana ama rooms lana ang 3 lana 3 uma single beds aphinda abe 3 lana ama double beds so now ufika la uya choose ukuthi ngichoose le double bed noma ngichoose le ama single beds la 2
okay baba ngiyabonga